Hey guys, sorry I ain't uploaded a video in a long time. Had a lot going on here lately. As you can see, we're putting up a new shop for the Cub. The guys are still here, still got their old boom truck and everything here. Supposed to come back and put the metal on the roof maybe tomorrow or I guess Monday or something. Anyways, they came out today and put it on. But the building, it's a red iron steel building, 30 by 45. It's got a 10 foot, let's see, 8 foot. Yeah, 8 foot by 45 foot apron here on the front. And then I put number 57 gravel out. I spread it out here, so it's a whole lot dang cheaper than concrete. I got $15,000 worth of concrete between my slab and this apron out here, and it ain't cheap. I got two 12 foot by 12 foot roll-up doors. Premier Steel Building is the company there I bought the building there from or whatever. I've got Skylights, which that's the cover sheet there on top right here. The Skylights are 3 foot by 10 foot. And then I've got gutters that's gonna go on. Actually, let's see. Can't remember what's in this box right here. What we got in here? Downspouts. Yeah. Big box there had all the screws and brackets and stuff like that in it. And so that's all my corner trim pieces, gutters and everything. Over here I've got the Gavaloom metal roofing going on. Got insulation here. This is the shop that the Cub is in now. That's my grandfather's shop over at his house there next door that we built. It's 30 by 20, what is that? 24 by 30. So my new shop is going to be basically twice the size. I mean, 22 be 30 by 45. So anyway, 3 foot short, whatever, 4 foot, whatever you want to say. But anyways, got the walls, got the side. 3 days is basically what this amount of work right here is. Which the guys have been working on it on the weekends because he's kind of working it in for me or whatever. Looks like a piece of trim right up here over the door right there. Got to be pushed up and screwed in. But anyways, I went with two 3070 walk-through doors. One here in the front, one back here in the back. And then right here it's going to be basically like my other shop up there. This is a sump pump lid. Got a little 15-gallon bucket buried down in the ground to pump the sewage uphill to the septic tank up to the house. And so what I've got, it's hard to see the marks there. They're kind of chalked out. Right here, there's going to be a 2x6 wall, so these pipes can hide out in the wall. And come over to this mark right here. I need to get in here and chalk some new lines there where I can see better. But anyways, there's going to be an office. Excuse me, just got through eating Chick-fil-A. Coming out 8 foot and going 10 foot this way. So I'm going to put me an office in this corner right here. Yeah, it's cutting down on my space in here. I was originally wanting to put my office on the outside of the shop, either on that end or this end here, as kind of like an addition added on. Have a doorway going in here into the office so I don't lose no shop floor space, but it didn't work out that way because of my property line and all, and the grade that I'm on the hill and all, because we just poured a monolithic slab, and I didn't want to do a block foundation like we did up there on Granddaddy's shop. So anyway, so I'm putting this office in over here so I can put Granddaddy's plaques and pictures and stuff like that, you know, and keep my log books and everything, all my cub information and all in the office and closed up so dust and dirt and stuff there don't get in there on it. But anyways, we'll go out here. This is going out the back door. We had to build all of this up pretty high, probably about 5 foot high that we built up. Probably 4.5 to 5 foot. We brought in dirt and everything. I think it was like 5 dump truck loads of dirt, red dirt we brought in. Built it all up and packed it, you know, spread 2 inches, packed it, you know, and kept building it up like that. But anyways, I poured this slab out here for the air compressor, so that way it'd be a lot quieter in the shop. I ain't got to hear all that loud racket going on. So those pieces of siding laying out here were cover sheets that was over, there's 4 of them, 14.5 foot long, that was cover sheets over my, you know, side panels. And so I'm gonna, you know, cut them in half or whatever and use those right here. And I've got some inside corner pieces, you know, so it all blend in, look good and everything. And so it's gonna look good. Have gutters on and everything. Gutters will be back here on the back too. And I'm just gonna get me some pipe and just run it down here. You can see this little drainage way right here because this kind of slopes down, you know, a little bit here on the back. And there's a tree stump that's 10 foot diameter from each, you know, all the way around from one side to the other side. So it's 10 foot diameter, and the trunk of the tree is about 4.5 foot or so, something like that. And it was a monster, son. It was right here, right in here on this corner right here. And so we filled all of it back in and packed it down good and wet it good and everything, let it settle for a couple of 2 or 3 weeks or so before we did anything with it. But yeah, it's gonna be a lot nicer. Be a lot nicer than the other building over there. I'm gonna put some deadbolt locks on my doors because I've had some crackhead thieves around here trying to get into my other shop. And so I screwed this block of wood in right here on this. I mean, even though all this is steel, but I screwed this block of wood on, so whenever I put my deadbolt on, there'll be a little bit more meat in there for the deadbolt to go into. And but ceiling is 14 foot in the corners, and I'm 16 foot up here at the peak right here. So I got plenty of space and all. I could hang me a chain fall up here or whatever. And I thought about maybe in the future just running me a beam, an I-beam, you know, tie it in, weld it onto the side right here, and bring it over here and weld it onto this one, and get me a chain fall with the wheels on it, you know, with the rollers, so I can roll it across right here or whatever to pick up and lift up stuff or whatever, you know. Be a lot better on my back. But anyhow, I mean, this is going to be the new home of the cub. I'm going to paint the floor kind of the bluish gray color. You know, I got electricians that's going to come in here, and we're going to, you know, wire the whole building up and everything. And 220 will run out to my compressor, and then I'm going to have 220 right over here with the same kind of little Cree type split air conditioner unit. I hadn't made up my mind if I'm going to go with, you know, 2, you know, separate hang on the wall type split units, you know, and then just have one outside unit like that one over there at the back of that shop. You know, but you can get them to where it's like that right there, and then you got 2 separate units that hangs on the wall. But I don't know. I think one of them, because that one up there at the other shop is a ton. I think it's a 1 ton. So I believe if I get a 1.5 tons and put in here just one little single unit, I think it'll keep it pretty toasty in here. And then I'm just going to hang me a fan up right here or something to, you know, just to circulate some air. You know, keep it cool or warm or whatever. You know, pull that heat down in the wintertime and all of that. But anyways, just wanted to, you know, give y'all a little idea as to what's been going on. And I've got the Cub. I've got paint on it, and I'm gonna upload a video here in the next few days or so. Probably I'm gonna try to get it done there as soon as possible there anyway, so y'all can see it. And but I ended up changing paint and all of that. So anyway, that'll be on a different video. But anyways, this is the video of my new shop. And be sure to like and subscribe if you hadn't already. And we'll see you on the next video. Appreciate y'all. Thanks for watching. God bless you.